Hi, I'm Neil with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today I want to show you the custom option, the headrest logos that can go on your driver and passenger front headrests. So this custom option, as far as the Elk logos go, is it's a oval on a simulated leather black background, and it has silver stitching for the elk head here, and then also the oval outside of it too, to really make everything pop and make that elk head just pop out so much more. Now, we always orient them so they're bugling at each other, so you have one for your driver's side and one for your passenger side, and they're bugling at each other. So that's really the way to set it up and makes them look awesome. Now we can get this sewn on to really any fabric choice that you have, and it'll always be a black simulated leather background like this and a silver stitch. So whatever fabric you're choosing, think about that, you know, colors that would look good with it, but really it's a very good color combination with almost any of our fabric lineup, and a great way to show off and really personalize the Elk logos inside your vehicle. Thanks so much for watching this video about the headrest logos. This has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. See more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.